Okay, we have a Doosan Vertical Machining Center, model DMV-3016L, serial number 4100598. This machine was new in 2006 and we are running it. Yep. So this machine has a FANUC 0i MC control, 10,000 RPM Cat 40 spindle, 16.9 by 36 inch table with 30 inches of X travel and 16 of Y, and you also have 20 inches of Z.
3,500 RPM.
We're running right now at 3,500 RPM. Machine also has the chip conveyor, and with the control you have a remote jog handle.
5,000.
5,000 RPM. 7,500. Again, this machine does go up to 10. Machine also has a side mount tool changer with a 30 tool capacity. We're finding the tool. And we did a tool change. We'll do another. Okay, we're going to move the axes around a bit. That's your X. Your Y. And your Z. All axes are quiet. So you heard the spindle run, you've seen a dual tool change, you've seen the axes move. Hey, thank you for watching our video.